Hi students, good morning. Yesterday we have started integration. Integration means nothing but antiderivative. Integration is nothing but antiderivative. So we have discussed definition of integration yesterday. Okay, d by dx of f of x plus c equal to small f of x. Let d by dx of capital F of x plus c equal to small f of x. Then integration antiderivative of f of x is capital F of x plus c. It is written by integration f of x dx equal to capital F of x plus c. Okay, c, where c is called arbitrary constant. So this is integration is nothing but antiderivative, so which is equal to family of curves. Okay, dy by dx means slope of tangent. Integration means family of curves. Okay, right. That's why we are adding arbitrary constants. Yesterday we have discussed some standard formulas, derivatives. Derivative here. Next, antiderivative. Antiderivative means integration. Antiderivative means integration. Integrate. Right? d by dx of x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 equal to x raised to n. Correct? The differentiation of this is x raised to n. Are you following? N plus 1 x power n by n plus 1 get cancelled, x raised to n. Now the antiderivative. Antiderivative of x raised to n is this is. Antiderivative nothing but integration. Sometimes they may ask antiderivative also. That's why I am written here. Antiderivative, don't confuse. Integral and antiderivative both are same. Words which look like different but both are same. Integration of x raised to n dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay? Are you following? Integration of x raised to n dx formula x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Previous class, yesterday we have discussed from this integration of x. What is integration of x? X squared by 2 plus c. Put n is equal to 1. Integration of x squared dx equal to x cube by 3. Okay. Integration of root x dx equal to x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 means 2 by 3 plus c. Okay. Integration of 1 by x square dx equal to x power minus 2 dx equal to x power minus 1 by minus 1 which is equal to minus 1 by x plus c. So integration of 1 by x cube, integration of 1 by root x, integration of 1 by x power 3 by 2, such problems we can find by using this formula. Here base is variable, power is n, n belongs to R except minus 1. N belongs to real number except minus 1. Okay? Next. d by dx of x, d by dx of x 1. Derivative of x is 1. Then integration, antiderivative of 1 is x. So integration of 1 dx. 1 dx is nothing but dx. So integration of 1 dx equal to x plus c. Are you following? Derivative of x is 1. Integration of 1 is 1 dx is x. Most important. Integration of dx or 1 dx. Both are same. Integration of dx equal to x. Integration of dy y. Because with respect of y. Are you following? So integration of dx equal to x. Plus c common. For each and everything for indefinite integral you should add plus c. Okay. Sometimes if I not see also, but by writing you should add compulsory. So derivative of x is 1, integration of dx is x plus c. Next, d by dx of constant derivative is 0. Therefore, integration of 0 dx equal to c. Are you following? Integration of 0 is c. Integration of 1 dx x. Integration of x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. Next, d by dx of log mod x equal to 1 by x. Then integration of 1 by x dx equal to log x plus c. Are you following? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x equal to log x plus c. The next positive. d by dx of e raised to x equal to e raised to x. Then integration of e power x dx equal to e raised to x plus c. Next, integration d by dx of a raised to x equal to formula a raised to x into log a base c. To get standard formula for antiderivative of a raised to x, this you have to cancel. So to cancel this is transpose this side by log a base c. Is it a raised to x? See, this is a constant 1 by log a base c. A raised to x differentiation, a raised to x into log a base c get cancelled equal to a power x. So we want this, not a raised to x into log a. Standard formula you have to create. Okay. Then antiderivative of a power x dx equal to a power x by log a base c plus c. Are you following? A raised to x differentiation is a raised to x into log a. But integration of a raised to x is a raised to x by log a. A raised to x by log a. Next, d by dx of sin x differentiation is cos x. Then integration of cos x dx equal to sin x plus c. Trigonometric differentiation. D by dx of cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So minus I am taking here. Therefore integration of sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. D by dx of tan x differentiation is secant square x. Therefore integration of secant square x dx equal to tan x plus c. D by dx of cot x equal to minus cosec square x. So minus right here. So integration of cosec square x dx equal to minus cot x plus c. D by dx of sec x equal to sec x into tan x. Then integration of sec x into tan x dx equal to sec x plus c. D by dx of minus cosec x equal to cosec x into cot x. Minus indicate that multiplication minus. So integration of cosec x into cot x dx equal to minus cosec x plus c. Okay, we have done this standard formula by using differentiation so far. So in integration, inverse trigonometric function, there are only two we got. No integration of tan x, no integration of cot x, no integration of cosec x, no integration of sec x. That we'll discuss further. As for this, now integration of tan x, don't know. Are you following? Integration of cot x, no. We'll get next further classes. This is, I created these problems by using differentiation. We know the differentiation formulas. By using that, now I am going to creating standard formulas of integration. This much only. So to get tan x means here we should get tan x here. By taking what we will get tan x, then antiderivative will get. So here as per standard formula of differentiation, no tan x will get here. By taking any function, can you get here tan x? No. By we'll get some function, we'll get tan x, but that function now we don't know. Now I am using standard formula of differentiation. Okay, that is not in the standard formula list. Okay, so we know that as per standard formula of differentiation, we know integration of cos x and integration of sin x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. So as per standard formula, we don't know integration of tan x, cot x, sec x, cosec x. That we'll discuss further classes. Okay, so don't create, because some students integration of tan x, if I ask, they will tell immediately secant square x, because that differentiation concept they will apply integration, not like that. By doing integration, concept is different, differentiation concept is different, because in the family of curves there are slope of tan types. Are you following? Antiderivative. Okay. Now integration of secant square x, tan x. If you apply differentiation case, we will get this. Then it is correct. Integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. Now the differentiation of this is cosec square x. So integration of sec x tan x equal to sec x. The differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x. Integration of cosec x cot x equal to minus cosec x. So derivative of minus cosec x is cosec x into cot x. This is. Are you following? So these are standard formulas. A raised to x different integration, a raised to x by log e. A raised to x differentiation. Always you compare with the differentiation and integration at a time. See, if I ask e power x in derivative, e power x. E power x integration, e power x. Okay. But a power x differentiation, a power x into log e. But integration of a power x, a power x by log e. At a time you recall both. Then you any means you come to know that what is the variation of that. Understood? In derivative of sin x, while studying derivative of sin x, then immediately you recall integration of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Understood? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Understood? Derivative of tan x, secant square x. Integration of tan x, so far don't know. What am I? Derivative of cot x, minus cosec square x. But integration of cot x, don't know. That you will get next further classes. What am I? So derivative of log x is 1 by x. Integration of log x, don't know. So far don't know. Is there any integration of log x here? No. What is the integration of 1 by x? Integration of 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now I am asking integration of log x. Integration of log x not there in this list. That will get in the further classes. Okay. This is okay. Now derivative of x is 1. Integration of x is x square by 2 by this form. Derivative of x raised to n into x power n minus 1. Integration of x raised to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. Integration of root x is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Because in the form of x raised to n. At a time you recall the both, then you come know that what is differentiation formula, what is integration formula. Okay, your confusion will be solved. So at a time you recall like this. Understood? So integration of tan x, don't know. Derivative of tan x we know. Okay, integration of tan x not there in the list. Okay, derivative of secant square x, derivative of secant square x. 2 sec x into sec x into tan x. Derivative of secant square x. Derivative I am asking. Derivative of secant square x. How we can find sec x whole square? X square differentiation is 2x. 2 sec x into sec x derivative sec x into tan x. Integration of sec square x is tan x. Derivative of cosec square x is 2 cosec x into cosec x derivative is minus cosec x into cot x. So integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. Understood? Derivative of x is 1. Integration of 1 x. Derivative of 1 0. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of constant 0. Okay, integration of 0 constant. Integration of constant, one more form I have written here. Integration of c dx, that I will list the property because c is constant. C, right? Take out c integration of dx. So integration of dx equal to x, cx. Some constant d. That will discuss the property. Okay. Next formula, d by dx of sin inverse x 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Then integration of this and derivative of this is integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx equal to sin inverse x plus c. Yes. What about integration of sin inverse x? Don't know. Are you following? Because not there is a list. This only we know. So don't create your own things. Okay? Got a point? If it is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, again if you apply this differentiation, this should get. Then only it is correct. Otherwise, wrong. By applying differentiation, you will get this. No. Next, d by dx of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Minus I am writing here. Then integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx equal to, tell me, minus cos inverse x plus c. See, function same, but right side answers look like different, but both are same. Sin inverse x plus c minus cos inverse x plus c, both are same. How? By inverse denominator function concept. Inverse denominator function, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So sin inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Substitute here, sin inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x plus c. Pi by 2 is constant, c constant. These two together is capital C. Arbitrary constant. So minus cos inverse x, this comes under this only. This is constant, this is constant. Both together is this is. One constant we can get. So this is and this is. Both are same. So integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square equal to sin inverse x r minus cos inverse x. Understood? Next, d by dx of tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of cot inverse x equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Minus here. Therefore, from this, function is same right side. So integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to either tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. Are you following? Integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square equal to sin inverse x or minus cos inverse x. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse x or minus cot inverse x. This is also for inverse trigonometric function only. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2 from that property. Next, d by dx of sec inverse x. Sec inverse x differentiation 1 by x into under root of x square minus 1. D by dx of cosec inverse x is minus, right here, 1 by x into under root of x square minus 1. So integration 1 by x into under root of x square minus 1 dx equal to sec inverse x plus c or minus cosec inverse x plus c. Understood? So these all formulas we got it, integration formulas we got from standard formula of differentiation standard formula. From that we have got it. Many are there here. Integration of sin inverse x, integration of cos inverse x, that we don't know. That further we will discuss. Okay? These formulas are obtained by differentiation standard formulas. That much only. So this much only we know. Integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square equal to sin inverse x or minus cos inverse x. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x or minus cot inverse x. Integration of 1 by x under root of x square minus 1 equal to either sec inverse x or minus cosec inverse x. Integration of cos inverse x, integration of sin inverse x, integration of cos inverse x, integration of tan inverse x. These formulas we don't know so far. This will get further. Understood? Integration of x square by integration of 1 dx s, integration of constant 0. Sorry, integration of 0 constant. Derivative of constant is 0. Properties of antiderivative integration. Properties of integration. The first properties, d by dx of integration small f of x dx equal to f of x. Because integration and derivative and derivative. For example, d by dx and integration of sin x dx equal to d by dx of integration of sin x minus cos x. So derivative of minus cos x sin x will get same functions. But don't do things. Cancellation not work. Okay? Because of this cancel not like this. Okay? The property is d by dx of integration of sin x equal to sin x. D by dx of integration f of x dx equal to f of x. Okay? Next. Here example. D by dx of integration of tan x dx equal to tan x. We don't know integration of tan x so far, but even the answer we got or not. Why? From property. D by dx of integration of f of x dx equal to f of x from this property. Understood? So d by dx of integration of log x dx equal to log x. Derivative integration and derivatives. So d by dx of integration of f of x dx equal to f of x. This is most important property. Next, d by dx of integration of e raised to x by 1 plus a raised to x dx, which is equal to e raised to x by 1 plus a raised to x. Next, d by dx of integration of f1x plus f2x dx equal to property u plus v. The differentiation is du by dx plus dv by dx. Like that, integration of f1x plus f2x dx. We can write separate. We can split integration of f1x dx plus integration of f to x dx. If more terms are also there, sum of terms, that also we can write. Okay. If it is minus also, here minus. Understood? Here integration f1 plus or minus f2 plus or minus f3 plus or minus so on fn dx, which is equal to integration of f1 dx plus or minus f2 dx plus or minus so on integration of fn dx. The property of integration. Next, integration of some constant k into f of x dx. In differentiation, we have discussed d by dx of k into f of x equal to k into d by dx of f of x. The same procedure also, k take out k into integration of f of x dx. For example here, integration of 2 into e raised to x dx. What is the constant here? 2 take out integration of e power x dx. So 2 into e power x integration is e power x plus at last we should add plus. Okay. Next, this much only properties. Okay, because here f1 u into v and u by v exist in differentiation, but so far here u into v, u by v does not exist here. That way we are finding u into v also, product of two function we can find, but in some cases only, not all functions. That we will discuss in the